He's filming you. Go hard. Great. Here. Can't see anything. What the fuck can you find? It's too bright. Oh my god. Okay. Filming me, filming you. It's filmception, see? I'm getting total coverage. See? Yeah, it's good. Okay, now, you want to video? No. Go inside, it's hard to hold one hand. Okay. Awesome. Inside here. I'm going to do a pick up. Here when some crimes fall through, and then sell all of our camera equipment to buy Sprite, and then everything just goes downhill. But at least we got to play with the black magic that was ours. We got to look at these beautiful flowers, which you can't tell are beautiful because they're in black and white. And we got to this way. That's the subway's down there. They're definitely gonna be watching that shit. This is actually, I'm glad you're getting, this is where the juggalos hang out. The juggalos live in this fucking park and deal weed here all summer.
I've been in there all the time. We used to cut through here on my
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Like, the juggalos love this place. They love this place. It's their own little...
Follow me.
Okay, let's close up that f-stop there, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Such a beautiful day. Alright.
We should be able to at least edit something together, right?
Well, oh yeah, we haven't even come close to shooting the rest of this shit, man.
Hey?